Cute, sure, but monkeys are also real pests. They steal food, they rip up crops, and they've been known to transmit deadly viruses. So threatening human health and well-being, when monkeys nest, there's only one choice: capture and relocate. The modern answer for catching monkeys was to shoot them with a tranquilizer gun. But those little guys are a lot like you and me, fragile, high-strung. Shoot monkeys with a tranquilizer gun? Yeah. Unfortunately, then, a lot of them would die of trauma. So to protect the little animals, experts have gone back to an indigenous people's traditional means for ridding their farms of the monkey menace. It's a practice hundreds of years old called the Malay monkey trap. Malays need nothing but gourds, some string, a sharp knife, fragrant peanuts or candies, and tribal knowledge to catch a monkey. The process begins with a trapper tossing a few stones into the trees to scatter and separate the troop. Then, moving where one monkey is perched above, he removes one of the gourds, cuts it in half, hollows it out, and puts the two pieces back together again, securing them with string. Then he cuts a small hole in the top and, in full view of the monkey, begins stuffing the gourd with candies, nuts. Monkeys are awfully curious, so they watch intently as the Malay monkey catcher fills the gourd. When it's half full, the gourd is set down on the ground and the trapper walks out of sight. Immediately, the monkey scrambles down from the tree, grabs that gourd, smells it, and begins pushing his tiny hand through the hole in the top of the gourd. He's in hot pursuit of those treasures that are inside. Now, with the hand deep inside the gourd, the primate eagerly grabs a fistful. But as the little fellow tries to remove his fist, as he tries to take it out of the gourd, he realizes, my paw, it's stuck. And the monkey pulls frantically, hard as he can, until he's exhausted. It's then that the monkey catcher approaches, slowly, to help free the animal. And like in the fable of the thorn in the monkey's paw, the monkey welcomes help from his Androcles. Light dose of tranquilizer, paw releases, and the creature is gently caged and transported to a fine new home away from the Malaysian farmland. Now that you've heard the tale, I have a question for you. What was the only thing that the monkey needed to do to free himself from the Malay monkey trap? Just let go. But, you see, it's a fight against every instinct in every strand of the monkey's DNA to let go when its tiny fist is holding on to treasures or treats. We, humans too, have an instinct to hold on when it would be so valuable and so freeing to just let go. We too cling stubbornly to our treasures and treats. I've collected stories over the decades that would astound you of people holding on when they'd be far better off to just let go. I'll share them with you in the future. But for now, hey, managers say, I'm no chimp. No, of course you're not. We're not carbon copies. We only share 98.9% 0.5% of our DNA with these primates. And that gene that says to the monkey, "Don't let go," is certainly one gene we both have in common.